All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get this rear end tackled today. Gonna get the bags all set up, kind of tacked in. I still gotta weight on some metal to be able to do the bracing for when I put the bars across here. But I got the side parts of the 4-link already welded up, just tacked in. They're just the trailing, I guess you call them trailing arms, but not really. It's 4-link setup, so I got the side pieces welded exactly where it's going to be as far as like your side to side, exactly where I want it to sit when it drops into the notch. So yeah, at this point we're just going to go ahead. We're going to get our 2 bars cut for the sides here. These are just kind of sitting there. I got to bolt these in. But yeah, I got these tacked into place. We're going to do a center support piece for the rest of our 4-link here to go across here. So we'll get that designed up, Fusion 360. Like I said, this is gonna be a pretty easy, quick one, so I'm just gonna run through it. But yeah, these are basically gonna go like that. There's gonna be 2 bars that go across to hold it, and then there's gonna be angle plates that go in to actually support it. And then our 4-link will come out right here. I'll probably build another mount up here to be able to attach the other 4-link bars. But let's go ahead and get the bags mounted, get all that set up, and then we'll come back. All right, let's get it.